I'm Melissa Helton from Moore Branch, Kentucky, and this is my poem, The Women's Gown. Creased linen hangs on me, generations old, under which grandmother and mother swelled and split and shrank with lineage, fabric faded as field stones holding me in the body. Flames crown my head, lick at the air, a dance of oxygen, plasma uncontrollable. I dream of evaporating, particles spreading, disconnecting and saying goodbye to each other, yielding to air currents and whatever may come next. But the linen keeps my molecules bonded, a shell in which I incubate and spin, a holy robe that keeps the sin of pride from me.